What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain E3A in the airport lounge, and this is the last video for tonight. Tonight's review is an air carrier that is based in the Great White North and is a 5-star rated carrier. According to Skytrax magazine, Air Canada Boeing 777-300 by Skymarks. This is my 6th 777-300. This was almost my entire batch that came from New Jersey. I got this from the airplane shop in Fairfield, New Jersey in 2013. Air Canada was started in 1939 as Trans-Canadian Airways, later changing its name to Air Canada. Air Canada purchased the 777 to replace the Airbus A340 and is now an ultimate aircraft. From its two primary hubs in Toronto and Montreal, Canada, to destinations such as Zurich, Switzerland, Geneva, Frankfurt, Paris, London, Rome, Madrid, Barcelona, Lisbon, Tokyo, Beijing, just to name a couple destinations that Air Canada flies to. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the 777-300, starting with the PO tubes and the stack ports and the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. I'm going to bring the aircraft around. There you see the Star Alliance livery. Now, 777 diehard forever said he loves the icy blue color of Air Canada. That's when he was reviewing Air Canada's Airbus A330 by Gemini Jets 200 in the scale 1/200 series. Staring towards the front of the aircraft, the maple leaf, the symbol of Canada's national pride, the APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tailplanes. Now I'm going to take you on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The maple leaf, just come on the wings. Oh, just come on the fuselage of the 777. Air Canada's 777-300 is powered by two General Electric GE90s. Come out towards first class. And the cockpit, and that's it. Air Canada's engine customer code is 90. Oh, wait a minute. It's not 90. Sorry about that. If you could tell me what Air Canada's engine code, well, their customer code with Boeing, let me know in my comments section. So, anyway, I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. So, anyway, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, this is Captain E3E in the airport lounge, signing off for now. Have a great night.